What up, kinfolk? This your girl Central with CustoMines coming to you with our first production ever. How to iron on a patch. Now stay tuned. First, we need to gather our material, our patches, and what we placing the patches on. We'll also need a few additional items. A lint roller, a ruler, a good heat source, such as an iron. If you have a heat press, that's even better. We need that Teflon sheet and that Teflon pillow. You know what it's for, protection. Use your lint roller to remove all dust, dirt, and debris. Now that we see that we have a clean garment, now we're going to preheat the garment. So we're going to turn our iron up to high heat and turn off the steam. Now we're going to place our patch. Some people use the 4-finger, 5-finger trick. 4 fingers from the top or the collar of the neck. Once we have our patch placed where we want it on the garment, then we slide that Teflon pillow up in there. Again, it's for protection. And we use our Teflon sheet to cover our patch. And now it's time to press or heat up our patch. Once we place our iron on the patch, just leave it in that one place. Don't wiggle it around. I know it may be something that we want to do, but just leave it in place just so that our patch can adhere to the place where we've placed it. And instead of sliding it over, just pick it up slightly and just place it back down in our next position. Once we've secured our patch to the front of the garment, now here's the kicker, here's the trick to it. Now flip your garment inside out, and this is only if possible. Flip your garment inside out. Now we're going to press the back side. Do the same thing on the reverse side, inside out. We're going to smooth our garment out. Once we got our garment smoothed out, then we're going to slide that pillow on up in there. And you know why. Because it's for protection. Then we're going to add our Teflon sheet to the top of the garment. And then we're going to place our iron down. This time, if you want to wiggle, it's okay to wiggle. Because we're working with a fixed patch already. And we're just trying to make sure we tighten it up a little bit more. And this is our finished product, an ironed on patch. Thank you for tuning in with CustoMines on how to iron on a patch.